today's channel. Okay, so welcome back to Food Mania. Chili. And today we are making homemade chicken nuggets. You get me? Chicken nuggets. Yummy, funny. So for making chicken nuggets, we need boneless chicken 500 grams cut in cubes. You can say also squares. And this is half cup spring onions finely chopped. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 3 tablespoons soya sauce. Salt to taste. Black pepper 2 tablespoons. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. And white pepper 1 tablespoon. Bowl 1 tablespoon. Milk 5 tablespoons. And bread cut in cubes of 2 slices. I will soak the milk and the bread into the milk obviously. Pick it up slowly, and now dump. And now I'm gonna mix it. It's a magical spoon. It came from magical world. Soak. After mixing it with milk, you should leave it for 5 minutes. These are breadcrumbs. You can say like right there. And these are eggs. 2 eggs for the coating. We are going to put the chicken into the chopper. 1 and 6 more do so, hopefully. I'm right. Am I? Until this whole thing gets into this big. Put that cheddar cheese into the chopper so it's like cheesy. Put it carefully so it doesn't fall down. Hopefully, will not fall from behind. Boing. It's like. Check me out. I put this in it, but there's one more thing. I saved the last bite of cheddar cheese for me because it's so yummy. Let's take it. Good. Healthy too. I'm going to put the slices of the bread that we cut in slices that was soaked in the milk. Now I'm going to put these and the spring onion that were finely chopped. Let's add in these yummy sweet treats or whatever. That went in one go. Cool. But this will go like in 100 million years. Or 1 minute, you can say. It's not adding in. My eyes are burning. Some full mountain here. Let me mix it. We are going to add spices to it. Salt and black pepper. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry for making a mess. Don't mind. We are going to add garlic powder. There. And some spicy soya sauce. I'm gonna just get in one, but I don't want to eat that. Now we are going to add white peppers, 1 tablespoon. And now let's close it and blend it. Now let's chop this baby up. Crazy like a zombie. Open it and let's see how it turned out. Stupid appetite. First, let me take it. Ooh, that's good quantity. let's pull the magical spatula. You can see the so mixy. And now look, the batter is ready. So mixy. I'm already feeling hungry. I'm gonna add the batter. Ooh, yummy. I'm gonna add the last batter. Okay, mixture is ready for the chicken nuggets. But we'll come back after cleaning this pot. Now we are back after cleaning, and now we will make some chicken nuggets. You can even use cutters to make them, or you can use your hands to shape them. Ooh la la! And I'll show you the both ways. So we are putting oil on my hand, so I can make the just one finger. And now I made one shape. It's an heart. Now let's make a second shape. Meow. Double shape, same. And now we will show you how you can make the shape with your hands. Your own shape. Whatever. That's done. Now we will make the shape with our hands. We made one shape with our hands. It's perfect. You need to take a big batch. It doesn't need to be small. Don't be scared like a cat. And then keep on rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling, and like this, and then like let it out flat like a nugget. This should be fat. And take some more batch. Now we are done making the shapes, and now we are going to cut them into the egg and the breadcrumbs. We are cutting the eggs now into the breadcrumbs. Now we have done coating them almost, and now we are going to put them in the freezer for 2 hours, and then we're going to fry them and eat them and like finish them like in 2 hours. Do you get me? 2 million seconds. Ha ha ha. We put them in the freezer for 2 hours. Now they're finally ready to fry. Now you can store them for 1 month in a Ziploc, and right, I'm going to leave some in the plate too so I can eat. I'm hungry. So first I'll do the storing part. You need to open it like a big white thing. No, I want to eat the hearts. Point to me. Keep on going. Now these are ready to fry. But don't put these in the oil by yourself because oil is hot and it's not good for you. You need your parents' advice to help you. Boing. I'm gonna put that in there. Let's try. Second one. Third one. Yummy treats are getting ready. Comment down below if you like these treats. Cutting. Yes. One is almost ready. I'm going to get a plate. Here is a yummy delicious plate. Now these are fine, ready to eat. I'm gonna take this heart shape, and these are cheesy. So I'm gonna eat them with mayo. I don't mind if you eat them with ketchup or something. Yummy. I hope you like this video. Stay safe, stay home. Bye. See you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.